Hello everybody, this is Dillon from WeTheCoasters checking in to SeaWorld Orlando. We have made it and we're going to get ready to do Icebreaker today, as well as check out a few updates along the way here. Seven Seas Food Festival's also begun today, so let's get into the park. You can see no line to get in. So, as today is currently February 3rd, 2022, a big day is here. As a gold member for SeaWorld Parks and Entertainment, I get to ride Icebreaker. And I'm very excited. I'm looking forward to doing it. Now, a lot of people have been saying a lot of good things about Icebreaker, both in the front and the back. We're gonna be heading on over there very shortly. But of course, as far as what is concerned, we'll find out. Also, they got some interesting donuts over here. They got kind of like what they have over at Voodoo Donuts at Universal. Interesting. What's also amazing is today is the very first day of the Seven Seas Food Festival that's gonna go on from now till May. Yay. So, we're gonna be checking out some of the stuff that's going on here, but they got booths and everything all ready to go. And they have over 100 different beers over there, over 150 to be exact. So, it's gonna be interesting to see what's gonna be in store. We may try some stuff, but without further ado, let's just get on with the fun. But one of the best blessings you could see is that Icebreaker I have just seen is running. And this will be my first new credit of 2022. I've been seeing it run. I've seen a lot of people talk about this ride and said nothing but positive things, and a lot of ejector airtime, surprisingly, too. And we're gonna be getting a ride on that very, very shortly. So can't wait to get on the GoPro. Hopefully we'll get front row to start off, either that or the back. Either one, I will not complain. Let's get on that bad boy right now.
Okay. I watch a lot of Coast Tunes and airtime thrills and stuff like that.
Oh, that's around my alley.
Yeah. What's your channel name?
WeTheCoasters.
Ah, okay.
It's me and my buddy that are doing it. For the record, it's my probably first ride, so I'm probably get a little excited here, so I don't know what to expect.
I won't spoil it.
Here we go. Whoa, holy crap! Whoa! All right, good start. Oh, this is the part where I know it's gonna get a little crazier. Whoa! Whoa! Oh wow, you get a little airtime there. Whoa! 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 Holy crap! Woo! Oh my God! Whoa! Whoa! Wow, that was good.
Get ready to break the ice.
6'4".
6'4"?
Oh yeah.
Champion?
Oh yeah.
Welcome back.
This ride ain't bad at all. It's just like, I haven't done the back yet, so I haven't really done the full experience. I did row 3 and row 2. So I'm about to find that out right now the hard way.
That gives major ejector airtime. I was here for Passport.
Oh really?
On Sunday, yeah.
See, I wish I was here Sunday. Oh crap, here we go. Whoa! Holy crap. Here we go. See, this part isn't bad.
No, this is but actually when you go all the way up the...
Up spike? Oh yeah. Here we go. Whoa! Oh, I felt that one a little bit.
Yep. Major ejector.
Whoa! Whoa! Holy crap! Whoa! Holy crap! Whoa! 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 Holy crap! Whoa! 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 Holy crap! Whoa! Oh my God, that's awesome! Wow! Woo! Woo! Wow! Whoa! Oh, that was good. I only hate these parts right here, man. The bottom.
Yeah,
Those things suck.
Yeah, this is actually the worst part about the restraint systems right here.
Yeah. That's still pretty good in the back, though. I like it.
Oh, it's honestly, I just rode the front, but this is the second time doing the back.
Really? All right, so I've done Icebreaker about 4 times already. I've done one in the back, one in row 3, one in row 2, and now front row. I gotta say, I'm very impressed. SeaWorld really hit a good one to this one. And the best part too is you get a lot of nice angles coming through the exit. But in my opinion, front row is where you want to be. If you're especially on the taller end with longer legs, get the front row. Because the only thing I will say is a major complaint, those stupid U things on the legs, man. I just want to point this out. This is just back row I want to point out. It's my right leg. See this part right here? Yeah, that's not good. It's a little red, so we need to fix that for sure. But other than that, it's a front row ride. So as you can tell, they got a couple things all set up here. Mainly for when it'll be for grand opening. They got a couple of ice sculptures set up. A little DJ booth over here, or mainly stage show, I guess you could say. And then the Glacier Bar, they have redone a little bit over here too. They've got a couple of new drinks and a Coca-Cola freestyle area over here. The former Wild Arctic area, just a sign over the former ride, but nothing else to be known here. So hopefully something gets done with that area for the ride. We'll see. So primarily I want to show at the Glacier some of the drinks that they have here. So the craft cocktails on tap, they're $13.99. You got a sparkling mojito, a spicy pineapple margarita, and then they have Jack and Coke, frozen, fire and ice, Tennessee honey for $13.99, and frozen daiquiris for $13.99. They have strawberry, pina colada, and Orlando Vice. Beers are $11 or $12, excuse me, with a $3 icebreaker souvenir pilsner, and hard seltzers for $10.49 with Truly flavors. They also have bites for cheeseburgers, grilled chicken sandwiches, mozzarella sticks, onion rings, and a cool down cookies and chocolate milk for $11.99. Altitude Burgers. We have not checked out the inside of it yet. It is now open. So we are actually going to go inside right now and take a look. This used to be the former Mango Joe's location, and now it's accompanied for the ride. So I just want to showcase this part real quick. They have the Altitude Burger for 20 bucks. That's got beef, bacon, homemade chili, cheddar cheese, onion ring, special sauce, served mozzarella sticks, and you can build your own burger for $16. It's got cheeseburger, grilled chicken, bacon cheeseburger, and then a side of waffle fries, onion rings, or fresh fruit. Now, very interesting to say the least. I did not know they had chili. I thought they had bacon jam, So I do want to show before I get on Icebreaker again, the opening is February 18th. As of being here, only platinum and gold can be able to ride. So if you are here at a later time and silver gets in, or bronze, or fun card, then you get the gist. But since we are gold, we get right on it. And one other thing I want to know here too is that they do have a test seat over here with a light, but these things I want to mention right here. They have these U-bar type of things for the legs, and I'm going to be honest with you, not a fan of them there. However, if you're sitting in the front, so row 1, row 4, row 7, they will not be as bad. 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, and 9, yeah, not good if you're in the taller end or got longer legs. So kind of want to mention that there, but definitely give this seat a try there. And now I'm going to be ready to try row 7. So far, I'm liking the front the best though.
Get ready to break the
Here we go, row 7. That music's loud too, I want to point out, man, my God.
Lift the harness and step carefully over the blue bar. Thank you for riding Icebreaker and enjoy the rest of your day.
Look at that transfer track, I want to point out. Oh my goodness me. Nice, here we go. I'm back. Whoa. Wow, okay. Not bad, not bad. Now, whoa. Here we go, here comes power no. Whoa, wow. Wow, you didn't get air there. Whoa, 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 oh man. Whoa, whoa. Wow. That was pretty good. Wow. Row 7 was nice. All right, rows 1 and 7, those are the best. That's the one right there, row 1 or 7. Over here by Infinity Falls, unfortunately, It is down. Don't know what happened, but it is completely down. They have got the water off the ramp. They still got some water around here, but yeah, the only water I had to do, nothing you can do on that, so nothing you can really do on that one. You already know what time it is right now. Mako. Currently a 15-minute wait. Not bad. Journey to Atlantis closed as they're actually getting it retracked. Now, if you notice when riding on Mako, they were actually doing it in the back of the area where the roller coaster portion of the track is of the second half before the final splashdown. That's where I seen the crane was at. So we may see it if we ride on Kraken once we get on. Hopefully we'll get on the right side. That'll happen. But yeah, they're doing some work on that. Hopefully they will have it taken care of quicker than ever, and yeah, we'll see what else happens there. However, Golden Seahorse is actually open, which I'm actually very surprised. I think it'd be closed, but nope, not the case. In case you're wondering too, all the water has been drained out, or at least a good 95% except for the little puddles around here. But yeah, they definitely are getting some work done around here, and you can hear all the electrical stuff over here too. So interesting to say the least. Time to go on Kraken. Kraken, currently a 5-minute wait. You can tell by the people going on, is not even full, so we're gonna get on that. Can't wait. Should be fun. I also want to add on that Manta is also closed because they are doing the repainting on that one too. So I guess there goes all the rides that I'm doing today, but nothing much you can say on that part. But we got to go through the very secret way, or I guess special way, to go on through just to get out of the park. So that's what we're gonna do right now.
Dice que es una hora social.
So because they closed off that walkway for Manta, we have to go to the random area to check out the dolphins, manatees, stingrays, which actually, stingrays are actually boarded up here. So I have no idea why that they are, but I guess they're redoing the area. But yeah, so I guess the manatees and dolphins and turtles and alligators you're only able to see here, which, you know, that's, I guess, what it is the case of. And here we are. You've made it to the end of the video. What day it's been all together. We got to ride Icebreaker, the newest credit right now of 2022. So this is where I say thank you guys for watching. If you like, be sure to give your like. Subscribe if you're brand new to the channel here at We The Coasters. Hit the bell notification for any future uploads. Also, follow us on our Instagram at We The Coasters. Until then, this is Dylan signing off here from SeaWorld Orlando. We shall see you soon for our next visit to come on by. I think the next visit we will have is probably going to be either SeaWorld Busch Gardens again, just to do more Icebreaker, and hopefully Iron Gwazi very soon. Until then, I'm Dylan there. Catch y'all later. Enjoy the rest of your day here, and I'll see you guys until the next video. Goodbye, everyone.